Hi, so this is slightly later, as you can probably tell. I've realised I forgot to do some sort of insightful tips, so gonna hear some voiceover. Yay! I'll try my hardest to pronunciate correctly.
So here I am directing Amelia. I just want the light to hit her in a natural way, so behind her to give this warm haze, and you just get these lovely shadows then when the light goes through other objects such as fence line, as you can see in these images here, creating great pocket. And then what we're doing is creating some nice dynamic imagery with tall buildings behind her. And here again you can see, just making sure the light hits her. The light is just coming over my shoulder, you can see from the shadow. When we move to a second part of the location, you can see the light is a lot cooler here, and the light's coming down the corridor, causing different kind of lighting once again. So here you can use the natural light as a backlight or even a side light to create dynamic lighting naturally. So again, side light, then we go to a backlight, beautiful haze that comes down. However, when you're shooting in the shadows, there's a blue tone to your shadow, so please be mindful of that. Here I'm using Amelia to block the sun to get this beautiful haze that peeks through her hair, and you'll see this in the coming images where the light is just shining through and gives this beautiful haze as the golden hours start to diminish and become into more blue hour, and it's just beautiful. Again, making sure that her head is blocking that light, using a fast shutter speed and occasionally putting in a reflector to get those images, to get these beautiful hazy summery days.
Hi, so you've been watching Khandie while I've been shooting some promo shoots for DJ Amelia. We've done some, it's been Blue Hour, it's getting really busy now. So I hope you like and enjoy them and enjoy the edits, and I'll see you all soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button.